All right, this tutorial we're going to be multiplying a polynomial by monomial. Now remember, a polynomial is many terms, monomial is one term. So really the key here when you're multiplying a polynomial and a monomial is just to continue following your distributive property. Okay, since there's only going to be one term on the outside of your polynomial, you just need to understand that you're taking that one term, multiplying it times everything on the inside. So for example, this 2 times the r squared and times the positive 3 along with it. This is something that you should be already familiar with, but it will look a little bit different when your monomial has variables. So 2 times negative r squared is negative 2r squared. Then 2 times positive 3 is 6. Again, making sure that we're writing things in standard form so that highest degree comes first and then next lower degrees come after that. Now with the next example, when your monomial has a variable within it, you need to follow your exponent rules while you are multiplying the two terms together. So t times 2t, both of your exponents are 1s. So when you add your exponents together, it becomes t squared, and that big 2 stays out in front. So this 1 plus 1 right here is what leads to your exponents. Oops. And then for the second one, t times negative 3t is the same thing, where your 1 plus 1 leads to your exponents, and the negative 3 still stays out in front. So make sure that you're just distributing the terms and following your exponent properties.